Did you know that almost everything you do online is saved in databases around the world? It's time to take back some control. This is part 1 of my online privacy tips. Let me start off by saying everyone who uses the internet for any meaningful amount of time is going to create a digital footprint. According to techterms.com, a digital footprint is a trail of data you create while using the internet. It includes the websites you visit, emails you send, and information you submit to online services. Almost everything you do is stored on a server or database somewhere. Now, I'm not here to scare you or tell you to stop using the internet. My information is out there too. I'm also not here to bash traditionally huge tech companies who know everything about us. My purpose is to inform you by providing tips on how to clean up your online presence and reduce the amount of information that exists about you online. This is not an all-encompassing, comprehensive course that covers every topic and source of information. However, I'm calling this part 1 because it's a starting point and I can make more videos as I come up with new ways of helping you. It's just one slice of the pizza. Let's start with a fairly easy task. If you go to Whitepages.com, you could potentially find a treasure trove of information about someone online, including yourself. Go ahead and search by your name and the town you live in. When I searched for myself, I found an alarming number of things that are frankly nobody else's business. I had to heavily redact this image in order to protect my own privacy, but you'll see the information about yourself clearly on the webpage. It's got my age range, but I've seen more accurate numbers for others, including their actual age. It has my full name, my current home address, previous towns I've lived in, and it even has known adult relatives from both my immediate and extended families. Many people's phone numbers are listed as well. I don't know about you, but I was shocked to see all of this. If you can't find yourself, or there's a lot less information than what I just mentioned, then chances are you don't have a very big digital footprint, which is a good thing. So what do we do about it? Sure, you could go sit on the beach, but first, we need to get your profile taken down off Whitepages. The good news is, it's easy and it only takes a few minutes. So the first step would be to open a new tab in your web browser. This is usually done by clicking on the plus sign at the top next to the current tab you have open. The key here is to leave your other window open that has your Whitepages profile. You're gonna need that again. In the new tab, go to this website address. I will also put the link down in the description of this video. You may also pause this video to type up the link in your browser. When you arrive at the opt-out page, this is what you should see. It's very straightforward from here. You will need the link from your Whitepages profile to continue. So go back to the other tab on your web browser and copy the link from the address bar at the top. Are you still with me? When you're ready, go back to the new tab, paste the link into this input box, and then click on Opt Out. In step 2, you will simply need to review your information to confirm that you picked the right profile. Again, I redacted my personal information, but your screen will look a little different. If the profile is correct, click the Remove Me button to advance to step 3. This step is not a big deal. Whitepages wants to know why you want your information removed. You can pick whatever reason you want. The leave a comment field is optional. You could say what you want, but try not to be too hard on them. Whitepages simply pulls together information that somebody else is storing about you. Go ahead and click Submit to continue. This next step requires you to enter your phone number in the box provided. Your number will only be used for a robot to call you to verify you're a real person. You will not need to speak to a person. So go ahead and enter your phone number, then make sure to check this box to confirm that you're the person associated with the profile you want to remove. When ready, click the Call Now to Verify button. This takes less than a minute to complete this step. When you answer the phone, a robot will ask for the verification code that you're given on the next page. Enter this code in your phone when prompted to do so. And that is all you have to do for Whitepages.com. Please know that this does not erase all your personal information from the internet. The information that services like Whitepages provides is collected from numerous sources, which could include Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and even public records. Removing your profile from Whitepages is a great way to eliminate an easy source of information for someone to use to spy on you or to otherwise invade your privacy. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching part 1 of my online privacy tips. Stay tuned for the next installment.